Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix code 277 Easy Guide. Start by restarting the affected device and verifying network cables and Wi-Fi strength. Next, inspect error logs for repeated patterns and note timestamps. Test DNS and gateway responses using simple pings and traceroute tools. If a recent deployment occurred, roll back or compare configs. Keep a calm, stepwise approach and document each change so you can undo it if needed. Begin with quick, non-invasive fixes to reduce downtime and gather information. Restart affected services, reboot hardware if necessary, and confirm basic connectivity with ping and traceroute. Check DNS entries and ensure the gateway responds correctly. Look for recent deployments or configuration edits that coincide with the first error timestamp. If you find a suspect change, revert it in a staging environment first and test before applying to production to avoid cascading issues. When basic checks fail, collect deeper diagnostics and stay systematic. Capture packet traces or use a network tap to observe traffic related to the error. Correlate service logs with timestamps and correlation ID to pinpoint where requests fail. Reproduce the error in a clean environment or rollback to a known stable build to isolate causes. Communicate findings to stakeholders and schedule maintenance windows for intrusive fixes to minimize user impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.